Have you ever wondered how a music reactive LED display works? It's not magic, it's a blend of technology and creativity. In the next 7 minutes, unravel the mystery behind these vibrant pulsating displays and learn how to create one right at home. First things first, gather the necessary materials. You'll need an LED strip, a microcontroller, a power supply, connecting wires, a breadboard, and a microphone module. Don't forget your computer with Arduino software installed. It's the brain of this operation. Now, let's start with the microcontroller. You might ask, what is a microcontroller? Think of it as the conductor of an orchestra, directing the performance of the LED lights. For this project, we recommend using an Arduino Uno, a popular and versatile microcontroller. Next, you connect the LED strip to the microcontroller. The LED strip is like the orchestra members, each waiting for their cue to light up. Make sure to connect the data wire of the LED strip to a pulse width modulation, or PWM, pin on the Arduino Uno. Now, turn your attention to the microphone module. This device captures sound waves, transforming them into electrical signals. Connect the output of the microphone module to one of the analog input pins on the Arduino Uno. With the hardware set up, it's time to move on to the software part. Open the Arduino software on your computer and start coding. The code instructs the microcontroller on how to react to the input from the microphone module and control the LED strip accordingly. The first part of the code initializes the LED strip and sets up the microphone module. Following this, the main loop of the code begins. This loop continually reads the input from the microphone module, translates it into a format the LED strip can understand, and instructs the LED strip to light up in a specific way depending on the input. Once you've written the code, upload it to the Arduino Uno. If everything is connected correctly, your LED strip should now be responding to sound. So, to summarize, building a music reactive LED display involves gathering the necessary materials, setting up the hardware by connecting the LED strip and microphone module to the Arduino Uno, writing and uploading the code to the Arduino Uno, and finally, watching as your LED strip comes alive with music. This process is a prime example of how technology and creativity can come together to create something truly mesmerizing. It's not just about building a device, it's about understanding how different components work together, how code can translate real-world phenomena like sound into digital signals, and how you can manipulate those signals to create a visual spectacle. Remember, every great invention started with a curiosity, a question, just like the one we began with. So, keep wondering, keep exploring, and most importantly, keep creating. Who knows, your next project could be the next big thing in technology.